Got it?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Thanks, buddy.
That was cool though.
No. You good boy. Broken axle. Hey! You ready? Come on, hey. So, without further ado, here's the rebuilt BigRock. Starting at the back, it's got some stuff. They call it racing shock upgrade. Try to keep it as stock and clean as possible. Run 3000 mAh 50C small 3-cell in there. Keep it light. Also keeping it light and easy. It's got mega plastic turnbuckles all the way around. When I rebuilt the BigRock recently, I put all new mega arms and turnbuckles on front and rear. There's zero slopping these on the older chassis with the newer arms. They're pretty nice. And with the axles, and the wheels are solid. You don't get that giggle wiggle thing going on. Oh, good Bubba. Yeah, go ahead, Bubba. Go ahead, baby. So there's a stock ARRMA 3S drive shaft. And then there's the Max, Texas Max one. They're quite a bit bigger. I mean, these things are, you decide. There's the stock one. And here's the Max one next to it. Alright, that's pretty good comparison. Pinner.